Hi everyone, we're going to do the probability for binomial distribution, and I've already done some videos on this a few years back. This one's more for Math SL, the kind of questions they ask you for that. So the first thing we're going to do is expand our first expansion here. So this is a plus b to the n power. So we have n fixed number of trials. So for binomial experiments and simulations or distributions, problems are called binomial experiments if and only if the following conditions occur. There are exactly two possible outcomes. There's a fixed number of trials. The trials are independent, and the probability for a given outcome is the same for each trial. So in our case, our n is 4, because 4 chocolates are selected at random. It's independent because it is with replacement. We have two possible outcomes. It's a ratio of 2 to 1, which actually they already set up for you. So remember, 2x plus x equals 1. So you get 3x equals 1. So x is 1/3. But the 2 goes with the strawberries because you have to go in order as you read it. So strawberries came first here, so that gets the 2/3. And the almond centers gets the 1/3. So we want to first expand, and this is practicing expansion. So the way you would expand this is you would do 2/3 plus 1/3 to the 4th power equals, and we're doing our combinations. So this is going to be 4 choose 0, 2/3, 1/3. So these are your two trials. These are your two possible outcomes. And then the next would be 4 choose 0, 4 choose 1, 2/3, 1/3, plus 4 choose 2, 2/3, 1/3, and no, I'm not filling in the exponents yet, plus 4 choose 3, 2/3, 1/3, and finally 4 choose 4, 2/3, 1/3. Now to fill in your exponents, the easiest way is just to take this number and put it on this last term. So this is 3, 2, 1, 0. And then go in the opposite order here. So this would be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These two numbers always add up to 4. So there's your expansion. Before we move on, we also want to look at what this means. So basically what this 4 choose 0 is the number of combinations. So you can see it, you probably put in the calculator like that. Sometimes you see it this way. So that means, and if you think about the Pythagorean, not the Pythagorean, but the Pascal's triangle, this is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this would be 1, this would be 4, 6, 4, 1. That means there's only one combination where you can get all 4 strawberry creams. All right. This one means there would be 4 possible outcomes to if you do orders. So you could get strawberry, 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 almond, and strawberry, strawberry, almond, strawberry, or strawberry, almond, strawberry, strawberry, or almond, strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. So that's 6 possible ways. So that's what this number is for. All right. So it's a really nice technique for finding probabilities. Anything else on this? All right, so let's answer the other questions. So we want to know the probability of all strawberry ice creams. So this will be probability x equals 4. So that means we want our 2/3, this is strawberries, to be to the 4th power. So our 1/3 goes to the 0 power because we don't want any almonds. And this would be 4, and then this would be choose 0. Now this is just 1, so there's only one possible way to get that. And so this would be times 16 divided by 81. Anything to the 0 power is just 0. So this equals 16 divided by 81. Okay, 2 types of each. So that's probability of x equals 2. And that's going to be 4 choose 2. Because you want 2, you only can pick 2 strawberries and 2 of the almonds. So that's 2. Now recall this is 6. You can put this in the calculator. 6 times 4/9 times 1/9. So this is going to be 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 81. So I'll write that 24 divided by 81. All right. If you divide everything by 4 here, or 3, if you divide each piece by 3, this would reduce to 8 divided by 27. So that's that one. So we have the 4 probability of all strawberries and 2 of each type. And now we're going to do at least 2 strawberries. So at least. So that's the probability of x equals 2 plus the probability of x equals 3 plus the probability of x equals 4. Well, we already did these 2. So this one was, let's see what I have. This was 24 divided by 81. And this one was 16 divided by 81. So let's do the 3. So that means the strawberries is 3. That means the almonds has to be 1. And this is going to be 4 choose 1. All right. 4 choose 1 is just 4. So that's 4. And then you're going to get 8 divided by 27 times 1/3. So that's going to give you 32 divided by 81. Now let's add all this up. Because remember we're doing 2 or 3 or 4. So that's 16 plus 32 plus 24 divided by 81. So this gives you 40. And 40 plus 16 is what? 40 plus 16 is 70. No, this is not 40. So these 2 added together is 40 plus 32. It's going to be giving you 72 divided by 81. It really helps on these just to use a calculator. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.